Have one thing to say to Juice to make him want to pick you. What would it be? We'll start with number 2. One thing to say.
One thing, like one word, or just one thing?
One thing.
Like one statement?
Yeah. A sentence. With a noun and a verb.
Noun and a verb. I'm good at whatever I put my mind to.
Number 3.
Can I go last?
Yeah, you can go last.
Oh, wow, I didn't get that option.
Pass completely.
Pass. Well, you can't pass.
You can't pass.
Can you repeat the question?
One thing to say to Juice to make him pick you.
Arrogant Hooters.
And that means what?
And number 3?
Just say anything.
Yeah, I can't really.
I like to have fun. I don't know.
Alright. Alright. So, Juice, after hearing all those questions, you heard the answers, the truth. We need it's your decision now. So, between 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Narrow down which one you absolutely know you don't want. 1, 2, or 3.
That I don't want?
Yes.
Well, seeming as though I've had a bad experience from women that work at Hooters.
Wow.
It's got to go.
Wow, okay.
Number 1?
It's the one step up right here.
Step over.
Oh, wait, no, you're still right here. Right here.
Right
in
here.
front. And Juice?
This is
Who you don't want.
what you missed out.
Man, I'm not addicted to internet porn. I don't know what they're talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I sit back down?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's sit back down. Back on there. Blindfold back. It is between contestant number 2 and contestant number 3. So, Juice, who do you not want? 2 or 3?
Stop.
Who do you not want?
Asshole. You don't want that one?
You know what?
It's not rocket science, genius.
Yeah, whatever.
2
It's not close.
or
I
3?
mean, it is kind of close, so probably say maybe I probably wouldn't go with number 2.
Number 2. Come
Good,
on over.
Juice. And just so what you said no to again.
Oh. So can I have contestant number 3?
No.
Come on over. Juice, your dream date. in your
This is for
dream
Vicky.
woman.
No, perfect. It's great.
Okay, close up
Give
the
him a
show.
hug. Give him a hug.
Come on. You're good with your hands. You work with your nose.
I'm sure.
I'm not.
Close our
That
show.
concludes Rat's House First Hookup.
No kiss?
My name is Eggs, DJ Swift, behind the camera.
No kiss?
Anthony, Big Poppy,
Taking pictures.
Hooker!
and Billy Bob.
Hooker.
First Rat Pub edition, Juice has found love.
Say bye, Juice.
Biz.